So pretty much every single music artist at some point in their journey is going to need a website, an online store, email marketing, sales funnels, and other stuff. And one big problem with that is that you usually have to get these things at separate places, and it can usually be pretty expensive. So today I'm going to show you something that is going to be drastically cheaper than anything else in the market that you can get all of those features with, and it's specifically designed for musicians. So I'm going to show you this example website that I built using this tool. And so I made this thing in 30 minutes or something. It's got a home page, it's got some products, it's got a blog, just empty template data right now. So, that's why it's like travel data. But it's got a basic about page, and it's got a full store. The store, I can go in here. We have a Dreamer bundle. We have different size selections. We can add multiple products to the cart. There's a frequently bought together section. We could go in here and add this to our cart, add this to our cart, and then jump into our cart. And we could go ahead and check out. We could delete items from here and add coupon codes and all that. This site also supports a membership login feature. So I can sell subscription products, kind of like a Patreon or even courses. And then I can go in here. They can see what memberships they're paying. They can cancel their subscriptions on their own directly from here, and it'll revoke access when their subscription expires. And then they can go in and see their courses or their subscription, right? So this is essentially everything an artist could ever want. And it handles email marketing. So what am I using for this? Well, I'm using, also, I forgot to mention a huge part of it, sales funnels. So a free plus shipping and handling funnel, where you can offer people a product, and then you could check out with Stripe or PayPal. They can add bump offers, and then I could do upsells, downsells. You could do donations and all that. And so what I'm running this off of is Music Funnels, my brand new site platform. And everything that I just showed you is on our $27 a month plan. So that's, as far as I know, there's no other site out there where you can get all of those features plus email marketing for $27 a month. So I want to walk you through and show you the platform because I think it'll make sense for a lot of you. And we have a bunch of different pricing tiers, smaller and bigger, depending on your needs as an artist. So the way that the builder works is we have templates, and we're going to be adding more and more templates over time for like your starter site. Everything is super drag and drop. So if I zoom in a bit, like if I want to edit this video, I just click on it and do edit video and throw in a new link, and then it updates. I can change how it's centered. I can add an animation to it. Like I could make this video fade in. I could make it zoom in. I could make it bounce or whatever. You can change the animation speed, animation delay, and you can see everything super responsive and super snappy. Edit this block, double click it, change the text, change where it's linking to. I could choose to link it to any page on this site. I could link it to a funnel that I have inside of my site. Everything's just connected, and it's super easy and super fast. Now, another thing that we can do in here is edit our store. So if I go up here, and I'll just discard the changes I made, I have a store, right? And this is connected to the products in my funnel. If I go over into products, this is where you add all your products. So if I go in here and choose add, you can do physical, digital, service, or membership. Now, physical product and digital products are what they sound like. Download links are handled directly in the platform. You don't need like a crazy plugin or anything. Services, or maybe you're selling like a custom song or something. But the memberships is interesting because what you can do is you can make like a subscription product where you're charging people either like several payments. You probably wouldn't do this as a music artist. If you were selling courses, you might do it like 5 payments of $9.95 or whatever, $99. But you could just do ongoing payments once every month or once a week or every 12 months or every 4 weeks, whatever you want to do. Let's just say it's once a month. And then we could go in and make it a membership product and then choose what to add the people to. We could make multiple tiers. People can buy packages that contain multiple memberships. Like I can go in here and add them to this. If there was multiple in here, I could add them to multiple. Now, if we were doing something like a physical product, we could, I'll just discard this change here, make it a product, physical. We can, let's say this product's on sale and it only costs $15. We can sell it for $7. And we can assign a weight. Let's say we know it's 3 ounces. The reason why this is useful is because you can make multiple shipping zones by country and by weight or price if you prefer. You could add a SKU. You can also track the inventory. so that it'll stop selling when you run out, which is useful. And you can do product variations or variants, where we say that we want to have multiple sizes, and you just type in small, medium, large, XL, 2XL, or whatever. Add a variation for color, black, gray, whatever, right? You can add customized images per variant for different colors, and it's all just incredibly fleshed out. You can send people to a custom thank you page based on the products they buy, add custom tags, and a really cool thing that almost no store has is a drag and drop editor, which has always frustrated me for the longest time, that I can make, like, I've had a bunch of awesome store platforms, but I could never, like, just customize the frickin' store without paying for something else. And this is just built in. So I can do add widget. And, like, one thing you might have seen is that in here, when I went to the store, I had, like, a related or frequently bought together. This was just done with, I just added a store widget right here, and then you could, instead of showing all the products, I can choose selected products, choose the products I want to add, and then just add a heading widget that says frequently bought together, right? And so you can do whatever you want. You could add anything that's in our website builder, which is all this stuff you can add in there. You can even add a quiz or a survey and make custom, what's that company? Is it Typeform? I think that is, that you can do little surveys. We can essentially do those quizzes or surveys, which can either be used for fan engagement, or if you're selling some kind of course or membership thing, kind of like an application. We can make products hidden, put them in categories, multiple images, change the SEO settings, and all that jazz. So it's super powerful, super fleshed out. And it's like, again, all of this stuff and the funnel features are available at that $27 a month pricing. And then I'm not even going to get into the email marketing, but if you go in here, we can go to automations, and like you could add full automation. So like, when this tag is applied, send this email, wait X amount of days. I can go in here, if else statements, send email, notifications, tags, lists, delete contacts, unsubscribe, etc. And we're adding more. We're going to be adding webhook triggers coming up soon. We already support webhooks for like when a product is purchased, and something really cool that I think I can show is we have a Zapier integration using this Web Connect thing. And what I was able to do is essentially make it so that when people place an order on my site, it sends it to ShipStation, which is what I use for shipping, because we don't have a native integration with ShipStation. But with Zapier, you can just hook up to whatever you want. Like you could hook up to Printful. Might take a little finagling, but you could make it work. And eventually, we're going to be adding more integrations. But right off the bat, you can, if you don't want to use our email, we have a native integration. If I go back to Builder, website settings, application, so Facebook Pixel, Facebook Conversion API, native integration, MailChimp, MailerLite, GetResponse, ActiveCampaign, Aweber, Moosehead. You can also connect to webhook. You can also connect to custom email server. So, and of course, you can custom domains. Like we'll give you a subdomain. So I have andrew.musicfunnels.io. Made sure to grab my own name before I announce the site to everyone. And then I just hooked up a subdomain to this as well. And you could add as many subdomains you want. You could have different funnels be on different domains, or you could have them all under one. It's up to you. In this case, it's all under one. And yeah, so now I want to just kind of go over the pricing, because I think that's going to be important to a lot of you. So musicfunnels.io, there'll be a link in the description. You can come here and you can see the features and take a look at some of our templates. I gotta click view, and then you can preview one of these templates that I made. By the way, all of this art I used Midjourney to make it, and it came out freaking awesome for this website design. So I can't guarantee that you can use all the images and all these templates, but this one you can, because I used Midjourney and I have a commercial license. So as far as I know, that makes it legal. But use at your own discretion. So if I go to pricing, we have 4 main plans. And so, you can swap between yearly and monthly just for convenience. I'm going to be talking if you do yearly. But no matter what thing you choose, you get a 14-day free trial. If you cancel before 14 days, you won't pay a single penny. So you can try it out. You can cancel yourself right within the dashboard. You can upgrade and downgrade and cancel whenever you want. If you upgrade, I think you get prorated for like what the difference is. So it makes the math work out in terms of what money you should pay. But yeah. Total control up to you. You can 14-day trial, upgrade, downgrade, cancel whenever you want. Check it out. So we have 4 main plans, and I want to walk you through the differences here because they're important. And then we do have more plans if this is like too much for you still. I wanted to offer just a ton of things, let people pick what they want, and then maybe if no one picks certain ones, we'll consolidate it. But starting at the 19 one website / store, unlimited pages, 25 products, first 100 email subscribers for free, and then yada, yada, yada. So this is like a relatively small store, but you get a website and 25 store products, which for some people that may be totally enough. And that's significantly cheaper than Shopify. And I believe it's cheaper than Squarespace if you get the business thing, the business plan that supports products. And remember, you can still do subscriptions, you can still do memberships, and everything's like tied in one place. If you want sales funnels, if you upgrade to Store Plus funnels, you get 100 products, 5 music marketing funnels, extra, other stuff, but unlimited website members. Actually, I think this plan might have unlimited website members. I have to double check though. I think it does. And then it kind of goes up from there. So you go up here, you get unlimited store products, 20 music marketing funnels, way more bandwidth. You can have 21 admins on your site, which is a little bit overkill, but we could do it, so we made it happen. And then a little further, 30 funnels, unlimited store products, more admins, and 3 websites and stores. So if you need multiple sites, multiple stores, if you were to do this on something like Shopify, you'd be paying $30 per store. You'd have 0 sales funnels, and you would have 0 email, right? So this is like way cheaper than using pretty much anything else there if you need multiple. And even these are incredibly well priced compared to what's out there in the market right now. Now, let me explain the other plans that we have that I don't recommend, but I wanted to just let you pick for yourself because I trust your intelligence. If I scroll down, I'll explain email pricing in a moment, but these are our other 3 plans. So if you just need 2 pages, $9 a month. If you just need 20 pages and 5 products, $12 a month. And if you're a label, you need 10 websites, unlimited pages, unlimited stores, unlimited funnels, unlimited products, 100 website admins, then we have that plan too. But I don't think many people will need these ones. I think these ones will cover 90% of artist applications or producer, whatever you are. But I think artists are really our target demographic here. Email pricing. So this is a little complicated. I've tried to outline it as good as I can, but essentially every plan comes with a set amount of free email subscribers. Remember, you don't have to use our email. You can integrate with whatever you want that we support, or use Zapier and come up with your own integration. So let's say you're using the growth plan here. You get 500 email subscribers for free. You can send each subscriber 12 emails per month for free. So that means you get 6,000 emails to 5,000 email subscribers for free every month on this plan. If you were on this plan, you would have 100 email subscribers for free, and you could send 1,200 emails in that month. So you could email your list every 2 to 3 days, which you probably like emailing your whole list every 2 to 3 days. You like almost no one will be doing that. But it depends, right? Because if you're running all these automations and stuff, like maybe some of you will. And so in that case, if you need more emails at the same amount of subscribers, it's 75 cents per 1,000 emails, which is incredibly fair. If you look in the market and see what emails cost, it's a pretty solid price in terms of emails. Now, in terms of subscribers, this is also, some of you might be kind of like, whoa, this seems like a lot. But I've used Drip as an email service for years. I have around 8,000 email subscribers, and I pay $109 a month. So we can do 10,000 subscribers for $79 a month. And then you would get 120,000 emails a month. So remember, you're not normally emailing your whole list every time you email. You're usually segmenting your list and deactivating people based on certain things. You're not always hitting up every single person on your list. So this is the pricing. That's how it works. If you need more, you can contact us and we'll give you a price. And yeah, that's the pricing. So again, 14-day free trial. No pressure, no nothing else in terms of fees. So yeah, if you're interested, you can click right here to go, or click in the description to go check it out, get your free trial, explore the platform. We're going to be adding new templates for sites and funnels. Every single day we're trying to add more and more stuff. Yeah, so thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next video.